In this video, we're going to look at the round function in Microsoft Excel. Now, what this does is it rounds a number to its nearest value, and you can specify the number of digits that you want it rounded to. So let's just run through an example with this list of scores over here. So if we open up the round function, specify the number that we want to round, so we're going to start off with cell A2. And then for number of digits, we'll go with 0, and this will remove all of the decimal places after each of these numbers. Hit Control Enter, and you can see there we've gone from 182.481 down to 182, which is the nearest whole value with 0 decimal places afterwards. And then if we fill this down, you can see each of these values has either been rounded up or rounded down depending on what their values of the decimal places are afterwards. So here, for example, we've gone up with the value being 196.695, it's gone to 197. You could also round these values to a consistent number of decimal places. Let's say we wanted to retain one decimal place, so we could just change the num digits part of the formula to 1, hit enter, and then if we just fill this down, you can see that they've been rounded, but they've kept one decimal place afterwards. So we've gone from 147.82 to just 147.8, for example. So that is the round function in Microsoft Excel. A really useful one to be aware of. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.